DPF emulator installation in Caterpillar 308E2CR. Unbolt the top engine cover to gain better access to the plugs. Locate 3 temperature sensors and the differential pressure sensor. Disconnect 3 temperature sensors and the differential pressure sensor. Connect plugs from the emulator's wiring harness. Locate the ECU. Unplug the ECU. Locate the con twisted pair in the ECU plug. Solder the emulator's wires in line to the con twisted pair. Secure the soldered wires with the insulating tape. Once the emulator is correctly installed, you can replace the DPF filter with the straight pipe. Loosen the bolts securing the DPF filter. Remove the middle part, which is the actual DPF filter, and replace it with the straight pipe. Secure the straight pipe with the original bolts.